Good afternoon, children. It's good to see you again. It's your old friend Robert Lindsey here. I know school's back in session, and it's still hot outside, but what does that mean? There's holidays ahead. So have a great day at school, and we're going to read about I'm a Monster Truck. Do y'all like monster trucks? Have you ever been to an event? I smash, I bash, I crash. I love the sound of breaking glass, 'cause I'm a monster truck. I was made to make mud fly. I may slide, but I never slip. My tall tires grab the dirt. As I take tight twists and extreme turns, when I race to win. Vroom, vroom, vroom. And I win every time. But racing isn't everything. I'm gargantuan and graceful. The freestyle event is where I show off my smooth moves. Those some big words, aren't they? But heck, I am a monster truck, and I love to crush cars under my big wheels. Crunch, crunch. The more I crunch them, the louder my fans cheer. Do you hear them all hollering? Yay! Do some more, do some more. Uh-oh. Looks like the Gargantuosaurus wants my leftovers. He's a monster machine that eats cars and breathes fire. Wow. Don't worry, monster trucks aren't afraid of anything. I'll put this mechanical menace back in his cage. It's time for a break. Let's watch the motorcycles take to the air. They criss and they cross, but they don't crash. And they do it all without a net. Have any of y'all said the Moto game with Eric Pastrana and the Nitro Circus? That's what this is about. They do some crazy stunts. There's my buddy, Billy Rex. He and his crew are part of the Demolition Derby. They smash, bash, and crash each other until there's only one car left in the mud. But don't worry, they love it. When the show's over, we love to take one last lap for the crowd. Then it's lights out. Time for this monster truck to stop the roaring and start the snoring. I didn't know the truck snored, did you? I guess they can, because I'm a monster truck. Thank you, kids. Y'all have a great afternoon. I'll see you soon.